Hey guys, it's me Sarah, and I'm happy to have you all in my kitchen today. What I'm going to show you how to make is a beef empanada, and we're going to fry them. Today I'm using my brand new knife from the Cooking Guild. I'm super excited to try it out because my knife really sucked and this one looks pretty nice. So let me know in the comments what's your favorite knife. There's a lot of ways you can make empanadas and everybody has their own flavor on it, so I'm just going to show you the way that I do it when I make them for my family. Are you ready to get started? This is what you'll need. Keep in mind you can change this recipe according to your taste. If you want to spice it up a little bit more, you can add poblano pepper and jalapeno. You can also add cheese if you prefer that, or you can do them any style you like. Just mix it up according to your taste using my basic recipe. Alright, so be sure to grab a pretty big pot because we're going to be adding a lot of liquids from the start and then we're going to boil them down to infuse the meat with the flavor. Start by heating up 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot. Cook the ground beef, breaking up with a spoon until it's browned but not quite completely cooked through. This will take approximately 6 to 9 minutes. Transfer the meat into a separate bowl. Leave as much fat as possible in the pan. Reduce your heat to medium-high, then cook the onion and bell pepper and the remaining tablespoon of oil. Keep stirring until tender but not completely browned. Then season with salt and pepper. Add 3 tablespoons of cumin, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and the 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and cook, stirring until very fragrant. This is only going to take about a minute. Then add your 1½ cup of chicken stock. Stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar if you want it to be a little bit sweet. Then add salt and pepper to taste. Add the reserved beef and bring to a simmer, stirring frequently and scraping up any brown bits until most of the liquid is evaporated. This will take about 20 minutes. Transfer to a medium bowl, cover and chill this for about 3 hours in the fridge. You want a snack? This one wants a snack. Slice your boiled egg and olive and set aside. Preheat your oven to 375 if you're going to bake them, and if you're going to fry them, heat your oil on the stove to medium heat. Now we're going to take our wraps and we're going to stuff them. Get a little bowl with some water in it. This is what's going to help you make the seal. You're going to take an empanada, fill it with the filling, use the water to wipe around the rim, and then pinch and fold until you have a complete seal. Ta-da! Once they're completed, we're going to cook them. After they're all cooked, serve them up and enjoy. It's time for the taste test. That's right. Probably really hot. Good job, guys. These are not paid actors. They're really good. Thanks so much for being here with me today.